Hi, my name's Taylor, and I'm a Google Workspace support expert here with Suitebriar. Today we're going to learn about email aliases and why you'd want to use them and what they are and how to assign them. Google Workspace admins can create email aliases for a user so that they're able to send and receive emails from another email address in addition to their primary email. This could be helpful if, for example, you want a more memorable email address such as marketing@yourcompany.com. Creating an alias allows you to do this, and you can have up to 30 aliases at no extra cost. In order to actually assign an alias to a user, navigate to your admin console, then search for the user you'd like to assign the alias to, click on User Information, then click on Alternate Email Address. Enter in the alias you'd like to assign them, and make sure you choose the correct domain, and then click Save. Back on the main page of the user's Gmail, have them click on the gear icon and go to See All Settings, then click on the Accounts tab. Under the Send Mail As section, click on Add Another Email Address. A window will then pop up where you can specify the name you want displayed when you send from the alias, as well as the actual alias email address. Then click Next Step. Here you'll click Send Verification, where a code will be sent to your inbox. If you go back to your inbox and copy that code, you can then paste it into the box. This just proves that you own that alias email address. Then take that code and paste it in and click Verify, and you're now ready to send and receive from that alias address. So if I go to compose an email, you'll see I have a drop down here where I can specify from which address I'd like to send. Thank you for watching. For more videos from Suitebriar, please visit our website at www.suitebriar.com. If you have questions regarding your Google Workspace instance, please visit our help desk at suitebriar.zendesk.com for assistance.